Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat crashes. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your mobile device. Tap on the search icon. Type in Snapchat. Once you have found Snapchat on your mobile settings, tap on it. Scroll down a bit and tap on Storage. Now simply click on Manage Storage at the bottom left of your screen. Tap on Delete in order to delete your Snapchat data from your mobile device. Once you're done, tap on the arrow at the top left of your screen. Now tap on Force Stop at the bottom right of your screen. Click on OK. Once you have done this, tap on Open. Now all you have to do is log back in to your Snapchat account. To do so, tap on Login at the bottom of your screen. Once you have logged back into your Snapchat account, your problem should be fixed. And that's it. This is how you fix Snapchat crashes. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.